Hi, my name is Tom Hoban. I'll be showing you the website I created for the fictitious company known as Elite Dog Training. To start at the top, we can see the four tabs for the homepage, a tab that would take you to the services page, one for the about page to provide a little bit more background on the company, and finally a tab to take potential customers to a contact form. So at the home page here, we have a nice little header of what the training would typically look like with all of the dogs on their best behavior. Right beneath that, we have a number of social media icons where if a potential customer were to click on any one of those, the hyperlink would take them to the respective social media pages for Elite Dog Training. Beneath that, we have a high-level overview of the firm, kind of what we're all about. And then beneath that, we have a few sections with some indicators that size doesn't matter. Elite Dog Training is willing to take on any sort of dog and any sort of size in it may accompany. Down beneath that, we have some information about the highly skilled trainers that are a part of Elite Dog Training, a couple of different types of certifications there. And then beneath that, we have a shout out to our trusted partners, things like the Philadelphia Animal Welfare Society, some of the dietary partners that we have, and some of the certification entities that I talked about previously. So if we go back up to the top of the page and we go to the Services tab, we will be taken to the page, as the name would indicate, that lists the different types of services that the firm offers. We kept the layout pretty clean and crisp, not too much excess information or anything like that, kind of straight to the point here. So, like I said, we have obedience training listed out, board and train, pack training, and then beneath that we even have a video that is kind of dog training 101 fundamentals that even non-clients could take a look at for any information they may be looking for. So beneath that, we have a little paragraph there that points out our partnership with a veterinary hospital and a link where it says our team that would take any customers to the homepage for said hospital, where the names and positions of the veterinary staff are listed out. So at the bottom we have a footer there, the contact information, telephone number, email address, and the physical address of Elite Dog Training. So if we go back up, we'll go to the About page. Just have a little Our Story paragraph there. Again, gives a little bit more background on the firm, how it all got started. Have some pictures below of some previous clients of the firm. Again, down at the bottom, we have a footer with all of the firm's contact information. So then finally, on the last page, we have a contact form, pretty standard there, first and last name, email, and any potential comments that any potential clients may have. Down beneath, just the map location of the physical address of the firm, and again, the footer of this page we have some more contact information. And that's pretty much all she wrote. As I said, we kept the site pretty clean and crisp. Much of the interaction with the company is kind of in person, so we provided what information we thought was necessary, and that was about it. So thanks for taking a look at my website, and I hope you enjoyed it.